In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checkbox in Obsidian. Open the Obsidian app on your computer. Once it loads, you'll be on the main dashboard, where your notes and workspace are displayed. From here, go to the top left corner and click the new note icon to create a fresh note. Now title the note. Type My Tasks, then press Enter. This creates the note and places your cursor on the next line so you can start adding tasks. To make your first checkbox manually, type a hyphen, then a space, then open bracket, close bracket, another space, and then type buy groceries. When Obsidian reads that format, it turns the line into a task item with an empty checkbox. Press Enter. Obsidian continues the task list for you on the next line. Type pick up dry cleaning. Press Enter again and type reply to emails. At this point, you'll have multiple checkbox items in the same list. Now, click the empty checkbox next to buy groceries. As soon as you click it, the box fills with a check mark, and the text gets a strike through. This shows the task as completed. Next, create a checkbox from plain text using the keyboard shortcut. On a new line, type call the dentist. Leave your cursor on that line, then press Ctrl+L on Windows or Command+L on Mac. Obsidian cycles that line into a checkbox without needing to type the full syntax yourself. On the next lines, type 3 separate plain text items. First, type plan weekend trip, then press Enter. Next, type finish report, then press Enter. Then type update budget spreadsheet. These will stay as regular lines until you convert them. Highlight all 3 lines together. Then press Ctrl+L on Windows or Command+L on Mac. Obsidian converts the full selection into checkboxes at once, so all 3 lines become task items together. Now create a parent task. Type a hyphen, a space, open bracket, close bracket, a space, and then prepare presentation. Press Enter, and then press Tab to indent the next line underneath it. Type gather data, then press Enter. Type design slides. These appear as nested subtasks under the main task, showing a simple task hierarchy inside the same note. Once you're done, you'll see everything in your current note and account. That's the basic process for setting up task management with templates and data view. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Go ahead and try it now on your end. Congratulations!